Then national aquatic animal which is very friendly ఏంటది? Dolphin. Good job. Largest animal ఏంటి?
Whale.
Largest sea animal is whale. Good job. But normally largest animal ఏంటి? It has elephant. Good job. Tallest animal ఏంటి? Tallest animal. Giraffe. Largest bear ఏంటి? గట్టిగా. Good job. Okay. Sea animal having 8 arms ఏంటి?
This is my report.
Okay. Your report? Okay. Largest sea animal ఏంటి? Sorry. Already అడిగేసాను కదా. Okay. Sea animal having 8 arms ఏంటి? Vaishnavi. Sea animal having 8 arms.
Octopus.
Good job. Sea animal that looks like a horse.
Seal.
Okay. Most beautiful insect. Okay. Most beautiful insect. Most beautiful insect. Okay. I will give you all those papers. Tell me. Okay. Most beautiful insect. Faster. Most beautiful insect.
Butterfly. Nose me rustundi.
Butterfly. Okay. How many legs does insects have?
6.
Good job. Which insect gives us honey?
Honeybee.
Good job. Insect
Honey makes us yummy.
Oh, it's yummy for you. Okay.
Yum.
Okay. Insect
Can you buy?
Sure. Insect that disturbs your sleep. Okay.
I love honey.
Okay. Insect that disturbs your sleep.
Sweet.
Okay. Insect that disturbs sleep. Which insect disturbs sleep? Insect that disturbs our sleep.
Mosquito.
Good job.
I don't like mosquito.
Okay.
It's not friendly.
Okay.
It's friendly.
Yeah, it is. Flower which always faces the sun.
ముక్క పోస్తుంది.
Okay. Flower which always faces the sun.
కూతుందా?
Sorry. Flower which.
కూతుందా?
Okay. Flower which always faces the sun.
I know it.
Tell.
I know that.
Okay. Tell me. Flower which always faces the sun.
I know it.
Okay. Tell me.
I know that.
Okay. Flower which always faces the sun. What is it called?
I know it.
No. Tell me.
I know it.
Okay.
It's the.
Which flower?
It's the. Yeah. I know it.
Tell me.
Sunflower.
Good job. Yes. What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower, daffodil.
Yeah. And sunflower.
Sunflower.
Which color are they? Yellow. Good job. So we should drink clean water, right? So sit down. Okay. To get clean water, you should either boil it or filter it. Okay. Tell me which birds cannot fly. Which two birds cannot fly?
Penguin.
And penguin and
ostrich.
Why they can't fly?
Because they too heavy.
They're too heavy. Okay. Which is king of wings to fly out hai. Okay. Which animal is the king of jungle? King of jungle. Chipsy. King of jungle. King of jungle ఏంటి? Hey.
King of jungle. Tiger.
ఓయ్ నీకు తెలుసు ఏంటది? Lion. Which animal jumps from one tree to another? Okay. Which animal jumps from one tree to another? Which animal jumps from one tree to another? ఏది జంప్ చేస్తుంది ట్రీ నుంచి ట్రీ మీదకి?
Monkey.
Okay. Tell me favorite fruit of monkey.
Banana.
Okay, favorite vegetable of rabbit?
Let's see.
Rabbit ఏం తింటుంది? Favorite vegetable of rabbit?
Rabbit. Report.
Okay, favorite vegetable of rabbit ఏంటి?
No, this.
Rabbit ఏం తింటుంది vegetable?
Not report. Rabbit report.
Okay, rabbit ఏం తింటుంది? Rabbit ఏ vegetable తింటుంది? Rabbit ఏం vegetable తింటుంది?
Carrot.
Carrot, good job. Kacha, okay.
I see this guy.
Okay, then kacha house is made up of?
Straw and mud.
Okay, then pakka house is made up of? Pakka house is made up of?
Bricks and cement.
Bricks and cement, good job. Okay, then which house can move from one place to another?
Taxi.
Hey, which house can move from one place to another? Which house can move from one place to another? What is that called? Wheels ఉంటాయి.
Caravan.
Caravan, good job. Igloo is made up of?
Snow block.
Hey, what are they called? Igloo is made up of?
Block.
Which blocks? ఏంటవి? Ice blocks.
Ice block.
So how many Vedas are there? How many Vedas are there? There are 4 Vedas. What are they?
Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, Atharvaveda.
Good job. So animals that live both on land and in water? Can you tell me? Animals that live both on land and in water. What are they called? Cheppu. Cheppu. Animals that live both on land and water. Cheppa. Last question Cheppiva, please. Please Cheppiva. 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 You did a good job. Animals that live both on land and in water. Cheppa. Cheppa, please.
Oh, white.
ఏంటవి? Animals that live both on land and in water ఏంటి? చెప్పు. Crocodile.
And starfish.
Hey.
Starfish water ఉంటుందా? ఏక ఉంటుంది.
అన్ని వాటర్ లోనే ఉంటాయి. ల్యాండ్ మీద వాటర్ మీద ఉండేవేంటి? క్రొకడైల్,
Crocodile. Fish.
ఫ్రాగ్.
Frog.
ఓకే దెన్ టెల్ మీ ఫ్రాగ్ బేబీ పేరు ఏంటి?
Frog baby.
ఫ్రాగ్ కమ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏం ఫ్రాగ్ కింద అవుతుంది?
Tadpole.
టాడ్పోల్, గుడ్ జాబ్. మరి బటర్ఫ్లై? బటర్ఫ్లై బేబీ దేని నుంచి వస్తుంది బటర్ఫ్లై?
Caterpillar.
క్యాటర్పిల్లర్, గుడ్ జాబ్. యానిమల్స్ దట్ లివ్ బోత్ ఆన్ ల్యాండ్ అండ్ వాటర్ ఏంటంటే క్రొకడైల్, ఫ్రాగ్, క్రాబ్ అండ్ టర్టిల్. ఓకే.